Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie here. What's up? So today we are doing braid-ins. This is the first time I've ever done a hair braid-in, so we'll see how it turns out. So I got these braids from Amazon, and we're using these braids and this comb that I also got from Amazon. So I will have everything linked below. But the package that I got came with 3 really long braids. See how long this is? Yeah, they're pretty long. Oh, and it came with a comb thingy too, so I guess I don't really need the other one. That's good. And then it also came with these little things you can put in your hair for designing it or whatever. So I just opened up 2 because I don't think I'll need 3, so we'll see. They're really long, which I like because my hair is also really long, so I hope it, I hope it works. So I'm going to be using these rubber bands for the end. I think I got these from Dollar Tree. They're pretty cheap. I think they're only $1, obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the hair into sections first. And then after that, we'll try to braid it in and we'll just see how it turns out, you guys. So I just separated it into 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces about this big. Not too big, not too small. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna separate it in the middle, my hair in the middle, just because I want to try to do 2 braids on each side, like 1 braid on each side, I mean, so like 2 braids total. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. You guys ever wish you guys had like a hairstylist that just did your hair for you every day? Living the dream. I know, me too. So you guys, it was really hard to explain you step by step of how I created this. This was my first time braiding my hair like this, and I'm not gonna lie, it was really hard. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I'll have to have like a step by step, but this is how it turned out. I added butterflies, these little butterfly clips that I got from Shein. So if you guys haven't seen my Shein video haul, go watch that. That's where I got these butterfly clips from. Again, the hair I got from Amazon. I would say the hair is kind of hard to work with a little bit because here's all the times I messed up. Like, it was just so hard to like detangle everything and like get it separated and stuff. And I don't know how else to explain it. It kind of just was like, felt like a bunch of thread everywhere, and like it sticks to everything, and you know. But honestly, I like how it turned out. I feel like it looks so cute. But yeah, I don't know how else to explain it besides you pretty much just do like a regular French braid. So if you guys don't have a French braid down yet, it will be a little difficult. So I would recommend first learning how to French braid and getting really good at that. And then you kind of just like thread pieces in. So I don't know how to explain it, but first you would section it off into pieces as I showed. I actually ended up separating it into smaller pieces, and then as I'm braiding, I kind of just like add it to the braid as it was hair. I don't know how to explain it. And then, you know, you would just like braid it in pretty much. Yeah, maybe I'll make another video, a better one of actually braiding it in and showing you guys step by step. But at least I hope you guys enjoyed watching me braid my hair. I guess that was pretty much what this video was about then. It wasn't really a how-to video. Also, I only used one bundle. So there was 3 bundles as I showed you guys, and these are the other 2, so I only used one for my entire head. So yeah, I think it's so cute though. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions, comment below. If you don't like it, dislike it. It's all up to you guys. Anyways, I will see you guys later in my next video. I love you all.